Welcome back to my channel. Today we will be cutting a long layered haircut with curtain bangs and face framing, mastering the forward graduation cutting technique. Working with the center parting, we take diagonal back sections, over directing our section to the opposite side of our client's face. Our cutting angle mirrors our sectioning. This haircut can be cut wet or dry. If you would like to know the benefits of dry cutting, check the description below. We continue to direct our section back to the cutting guide, creating a concave shape, instantly placing our curtain bangs and face framing. This first section becomes our stationary guide for this side of the head, over directing every new section back to this guide. We continue our diagonal back sectioning, working all the way back to the center of the back zone. Diagonal back sectioning will help to maintain length in the lower and back part of the section and haircut. If you would like to create a heavy shape, you could choose to cut at a low elevation, or elevate higher to create a lighter, softer result. It's important to control your client's head position in a stationary position facing forward, whilst maintaining your body position when cutting both sides. Your client's head position and over direction, your cutting angle creates the concave shape and controls the haircut shape. With every new section being over directed, you will gradually increase the length of the layers working back and around the head shape. These are all our mechanics. This is our mechanics to creating the haircut. Sectioning, body positioning, over direction, and our cutting angle. This hair cutting technique is called forward graduation. Forward graduation adds volume and movement to the hair, making it ideal for those with fine or flat hair. This technique works well with various hair lengths and textures. It can be adapted to create subtle layers or more pronounced graduation. This look is contemporary and can be customized to suit individual preferences, making it a popular choice in salons. The angle and length of the graduation can be adjusted to complement different face shapes. For instance, a steeper angle can elongate a round face, while a shorter graduation can soften a square jawline. Forward graduation can be adapted for different hair types, but the technique and angle might vary slightly depending on whether the hair is straight, wavy, or curly. Overall, forward graduation is a versatile and dynamic hair cutting technique that enhances the natural beauty of the hair by adding layers and movement. We now repeat the same process on the opposite side. You can combine this hair cutting technique with other layering techniques to tailor the haircut to your client's hair type, style, face shape, and texture. This haircut would definitely pass as a shag haircut. It can be cut with a razor for a more softer textured result. Slice cutting and point cutting can be used to remove weight and to refine the haircut to your client's hair density and texture. If you have learned something new and if you value my work, please support my channel by liking and subscribing. Sharing my tutorials with other hairstylists would be muchly appreciated. We now refine the line by using our comb as our guide, using the point cutting technique to create a soft textured outline. To refine the haircut, we take the same sectioning, elevating our section straight up whilst point cutting into the ends. This will create more texture and movement in our haircut. We continue this process until we complete the haircut. I will show you 3 different ways of styling this haircut. Here I am encouraging the natural texture and diffuse drying for a stunning curly look. Brushing the curl out to create cool rock chick vibes. Tonguing the haircut to create it girl beach waves. Let me know in the comments below what look you like most, and if you'd like this tutorial, you should watch this one next. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.